That's right. Good evening, Riley. There are several foods that this applies to, so certain chips, certain cookies, certain cereals, and even some ice cream. So there are several studies that show a direct link between these synthetic food dyes between children and behavioral and developmental issues. Now, Governor Newsom, saying that the state needs to be more proactive and taking steps to protect children at school. Research shows many food dyes are a public health concern. The National Institute of Health has conducted several studies over the past decade, indicating that these artificial dyes can lead to harmful effects in most children. Research also shows that artificial dyes have neurotoxic chemicals that aggravate mental health problems. The executive order calls on the California Department of Public Health to provide recommendations to the Newsom administration on how to limit these harms.
I think it's a right step.
Professor of nutrition at UC Davis, Gerardo McKenzie, says the dyes that have been banned in schools, including Red 40, Blue 1, and Yellow 5, should be replaced.
If we are able to move into more of a natural coloring things, use, I would say, I don't know, red cabbage, for example, to dye for red, or use turmeric to orange or yellow. Be in favor of using those.
Research also shows that healthy school meals result in better attendance, higher academic achievement, and lowering the incidence of chronic disease. Dr. McKenzie notes a recent study on mice who frequently consumed one of these dyes found that
the Red 40 can lead to more inflammation in the colon. That could potentially lead to an acceleration of this colon cancer.
The executive order also calls on the Office of Environmental Health Hazard Assessment to investigate the additional health impacts of food dyes, and the State Board of Education to look into higher standards for healthy school meals. The order also aims to reduce the purchase of ultra-processed food for CalFresh program enrollees. In a statement, Governor Newsom says California has been a leader for years in creating healthy and delicious school meals and removing harmful ingredients and chemical from food. The food we eat shouldn't make us sick with disease or lead to lifelong consequences. No formal opposition has yet been voiced. Now, the ban goes into effect on the last day of 2027. For now, reporting live at the Capitol, covering local news that matters, Juliette Smith, Fox 40 News.